Hi, my name is Hazel. Today, I will share with you an idea of reality about how we live in every day and who really runs our time. This is my chance to open your eyes about this issue. Do you not notice how we struggle in every day to go to work, finish our jobs, and spend less time with our family? Do you not notice that all the efforts we make in every day just keep repeating day by day and day by night? Yes, we are paid with salaries. We get the bonuses and compensations. But the question is it enough and worth it? Where do we keep our salaries? Who handles it? And how do we spend it? How do you pay your bills, your taxes, and your loans? How does your savings grow in the bank? Do you feel safe for your money in the bank? This is what I'm talking about. How does the banking system works with you? You need to know that even if you are working so hard and has salary, still you do not have that freedom. Yes, the government, the company, the bank controls us all. Whatever they regulate, we must follow. That is why, even if we work so hard, we are still poor. And when a bank shuts down, nobody defends for us because money, bankers, and the government rules us all. That is why I would like to share this opportunity on how we can start the equality and have a fair financial system because financial slavery must end. So let me introduce a new system. This is called MMM Global Community. The goals of MMM is to help all the people in the world, spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. Information about MMM. MMM is global and widespread through Bitcoins. There are 138 million members in 107 countries already. It already has 4 years of activity and a $14 billion assistance provided. It is also the fastest growing community of people in the world. And of course, MMM is 100% legal in the whole world. What is MMM? Or the Mavrodi Mondial Money Box. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It has no central account to hold any amount of money. MMM members transfer their donations directly to each other. MMM rewards every active participants on their activities. MMM also provides and support funds for charity events proposals. MMM mission is to end financial slavery and its vision is to help more people to learn on how to become equal and fair in financial system towards each other. Who is the founder of MMM? Sir Sergey Mavrodi is the founder of MMM, a Russian mathematician, developed Russian computer operating system, and an owner of Russian computer manufacturing company. Sir Sergey Mavrodi was also elected as a candidate for the state parliament of the Russian Federation, rather State of Duma. He was also a great author. How MMM works. In MMM, all participants must be registered in the MMM personal office or the online account. Every member is responsible in taking action and providing help to each other. Here in MMM, we use Bitcoin as mode of donations for a peer-to-peer transaction or person-to-person transfer. MMM system only handles the assignments in both parties, for the one who asks help or for the one who give help. Remember that MMM does not collect any amount of donations but stores all the record of transactions for all the members. The earned Mavros growth rate depends on the donation type made by participants. So this is very easy. Basically, first you have to go to your personal office and then select if you will provide or donate or you want to ask donation. So the system of MMM will assign a person for you. After that, when you finish receiving or finish sending some donation, you must confirm the donations received or sent so that the system will assign your Mavro points and it will start to accumulate and grow monthly. So how Mavros growth for 30% monthly? The growth of each Mavros every month is from the compounded interest. So here, in this chart, there is no sold Mavros. So the Mavros will grow continuously every month. So in the chart, you will see how much length of time your Mavros could grow. It could be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and so on, up to 12 months. And how much donations you can donate. You can start for as low as 200, 500, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, 20,000, and so on. There is no limit. So you will see that your donations could grow 30% monthly, and in the chart is the potential income you will get in providing help. In the right side, you will see how much Mavro rate you could earn per month. There is a 30% fixed monthly growth where you have no tasks to do. If you will choose MMM Extra, your Mavros could grow up to 100% per month. Why? Here in MMM Extra, the initial growth is only 20%. If you will do the online task, you will earn additional 30%, plus if additional 50% for the offline task. And able to earn 100% total growth, you have to complete all the tasks, or else it will only grow up to 20% monthly. Together we can change the world. So here in MMM, you will be rewarded for whatever you do. First, after your registration, on your very first donation, you will receive bonuses. It depends on the amount of donation that you will be sending. Example, you donate an amount of $50 up to $499. You will get a bonus of $20. If you donate the amount of $500 up to $2,999, you will get a bonus of $50. And if you donate for more than $3,000, you will get a bonus of $100. The referral bonus. Here, you get 10% from all deposits of the participant you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. Okay? You are not forced to invite someone, but of course, understanding that the MMM network can't exist without development. So participants are encouraged to share this opportunity so that the community will grow and grow. So here, let us talk about the MMM advantages. So earlier, I mentioned about the monthly growth of 30% for your help provided. Also, the 10% referral bonuses for the help provided made by your invites. And also the bonuses from $20, $50, and $100. Also in MMM, you will get additional 5% bonus for video activity in sending testimonial or the letter of happiness. And there are lots of other bonuses in MMM. So let's talk about the bonus program for the managers or the guiders. The managers bonuses. Managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in the instructions make. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. So manager's bonus depends on his level in the community. So based on the chart, you will see the number of people joined under a manager. So the manager's bonus is from the 5% in the second level, 3% in the third level, 1% in the fourth level, 0.5% the fifth level, and so on up to infinity. A manager will still get a bonus. So on the other chart, we will see the manager's bonus for doing the power of 10, meaning a manager has 10 direct invites or active participants in the MMM community. So just do the math and you will see the potential income a manager could get. Additional benefit of a guider or a manager is to handle a charity event. So here, a manager must have submit a proposal to MMM about the budget of the said charity event, number of people to be given, and the location of the event. Also, this is very important. There are rules to ponder or rules to remember before joining MMM. Of course, first you must know the rules and regulations before you join. So in able to join the community, you must have a Gmail account for your back office registration, a Bitcoin wallet where you will be sending and receiving funds, a computer or a mobile phone connected to the internet. And this is the most important. In each IP address or the internet provider address of your connection at home, there is only one account allowed to be registered in the system. Okay, so multiple accounts will be banned and you will be blocked, and all of the transactions in your record will be forfeited. And also, all the details in the registration must be true and correct, so the dummy accounts is not allowed in the system. Also, whenever your account will be in a moratorium or under moratorium, just prepare a valid ID, your Facebook account link, and a proof of address, so your account will be resolved. Okay, so this rule is to avoid abuse and fraud activities in the community. So if you want to become part of our community, want to learn the system, we will teach you. Because together we can change the world. Just look for me in Facebook or add me in Skype. Thank you very much.